In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Adidas promo code in November 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser and then right here at the Google search box type in Adidas promo code and then hit on search. There you can find a lot of different websites that offers you free promo codes. You can open up any of them. For example, here it shows up 41 different coupon codes. You can scroll down and select one you like more. I'll just show you on that example. So I'll just tap add promo code and that one gives me up to 65% off plus extra 30% off 1,000 of items including sale with that promo code. Just hit right there at copy to copy each promo code to clipboard and then just move on to adidas.com website to their online store where you can make purchases. Just don't forget to enter the promo code before paying any money and double check if that promo code is applied, so if that promo code is actually working now. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, just go back to that or to some another site and from here try to use another promo code. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.